Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password in OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, open your OnlyFans account and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, look at the top left corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now in the Settings section, select Account from the left-hand side. Here you'll see an option called Password. Click on it and you'll be asked to enter your current password and then the new password you want to set. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After entering everything, just hit save and your new password will be set. If you have forgotten your password, you can also reset it using the forget password link. Just enter your email and follow the steps sent to your inbox to create a new one. And that's it. Now you know how to change password in OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.